If you want to turn a rectangle into a frame in Figma without changing its size, position, or styling, this quick tutorial is going to save you time. This is a super useful trick when you want to keep your design exactly where it is, but change the object type so you can start adding more elements inside it, use auto layout, or better organize your layout structure. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the rectangle you want to convert. You can do this directly on the canvas, or you can click it inside the Layers panel if that's easier for you. Once the rectangle is selected, the next step is very simple. Right-click on the rectangle to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option called Frame Selection. This is the key step that converts your rectangle into a frame while preserving its exact dimensions and placement. When you click Frame Selection, Figma will instantly transform the rectangle into a frame. The best part is that it keeps the same size, the same location on the canvas, and the same visual styling, so you do not have to rebuild anything from scratch. This is especially helpful if you started with a shape and later realized you needed a proper frame for grouping content, nesting objects, or creating a cleaner layout structure. You can also do this from the Layers panel if you prefer working there. Just select the rectangle, right-click, and choose Frame Selection the same way. Once it becomes a frame, you can confirm it by checking the layer type in the sidebar. It should now show as a frame instead of a rectangle. From there, you can start placing other elements inside it, resizing with more flexibility, or applying layout features that work better with frames. And that's it. In just one step, you've turned a rectangle into a frame in Figma, while keeping everything intact. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple design tips and Figma shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.